There's our jumper pie. There's our big kitty. Big gooey kitty. Big silly boy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Not that big jumper boo. Not that big kitty guy. Not our silly jumpy pie. Not that big jumpy baby. Not that cute. Yeah. He's so cute, Jumpy. You are so cute. Yes, you are. The big cute boy. Mm-hmm. He's a big cute kitty. He's like a big cute kitty. Yes, you are. Big cute baby. Big cutie butt. Oh, lay back down your side. Silly boy. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Love that guy. Ooh, ooh. Not that big jumper baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Big silly guy. Okay, big goofy boy. Silly butt. What did that silly butt? What did that silly boy? Silly butt, that's a silly butt. Big kitty. Big purr machine. Yeah, sharpy puppy butt. Yeah. My big guy. Oh, I gotta look on the camera. Say good morning to everybody. Hi, everybody. From our cute, jumpy face. Look at that cute, jumpy boy. Yeah. Look at that cute kitty. Look at that big, cute kitty. Aren't ya? Yeah. Big, cute boy. Yeah, big, cute kitty. Big goofy guy. Not that jumper pie. Silly boy. Our big kitty. Not that big boy. Not that big kitty. That's a little munchkin out there. Yeah. That little munchkin sitting there. Let me get that little munchkin. Yeah. Let's see him jumpy. Let's get our little munchkin butt. He's gonna run away. Get that little munchkin boy. Little munchkin baby. Oh, he ran away. That goofy kitty. You're my little bot. You're my little bot. Look at that, my little boy. Yeah, you're my sweet little bot. You're my big little bot. Silly boy. You're a kitty. Let that jump in there waiting for his food. Yeah. Let that munchkin jump in that way. And they won't eat it. Silly boys. Oh, he's silly bot. You silly bots. Okay, go for guys. I'm doing trumpet bar. Come on, you all right? You can come finish, big guy. Come on, big boy. Come on. Big kitty. Come on, big kitty. Why? What's the matter, big trumper? Come on, big kitty. Big sweet kitty. Not done yet. Munchkin's still eating. He's still eating. I know you're not done yet. Goofy guy. Now you don't need to get up there and get Munchkins. Come on, we got lots in here. Jumper bot. Munchkin's doing good today. What, big guy? You okay, Monkey Bar? You okay? God, Jumper bot. Look at you, cutie. Are you just being a silly boy? For the camera? Jumpy. Jumper bot. You're being a silly boy. Now, you don't need munchkies. You don't need munchkins. You got a whole king here, big guy. Come on. Come on, big Trumpy. Come on. This one's yours. Silly boy. Goofy kitty. You're not counting, you silly boy. Why? No, he ain't. Are you just guarding? She's all right. Just a visiting nurse. Yeah. It's just Beverly. Yeah. It's just Beverly. Yeah. Brave kitty. Brave kitty cat came out when she's here. My brave kitty. Want to go out on the line? Want to go out on the line? Come on, let's keep up. Jumper probably stay hidden. Here you go, Monkey. Want to go out? There you go. There you go. You can go out if you want. Silly boy. We're all back in Aunt Sharon's room. Goofy goo. Goofy goo. Silly boy. You're okay. We don't want to see a bot. Good guy. Yeah, you don't need no treats, Eddie, you young man. You just ate. Yeah, I just ate. I know you like those treats. Treat boy. Silly boy. Treat bot. Silly boy. Let's get this stood on the counter. Our counter kitty. Silly boy. Right there, big kitty. What? You brave up, bot. Getting brave, silly boy. Yeah, it's okay, big guy. It's okay, yeah. Big boy. What, baby? Ooh. Ooh. Silly boy. What? You can go out if you want. Goofy guy. Not that big kitty. Silly boy. Mama, big baby. Yes, you are. Ooh, silly bot. Silly bot. Well, she's gone now. You can get up on the table. Come on, jump up. She's gone. Silly boy. Come on, Bunky. Jump up. Come on, jump up. Come on. Come on, table kitty. There you go. Silly bot. Silly bot. Silly bot. Yep, we're waiting for the inspector. Now we're waiting for the silly inspector.
Yeah, but he's going to be outside, though.
I know. Yeah, or he might come to the house and check inside the garage.
Yeah, the garage. Go to the garage. Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, is that the one I was also supposed to put the gold on, or just change that one bandage?
Put the gold on.
Put the gold on.
Put the gold on, and then some. That one Band-Aid, and then the other big Band-Aid.
Yeah.
Okay. Get that kitty.
I'll probably do it in the afternoon after we're back.
Please log on to your secure portal at https://health.com/.
No, we don't want to log on.
/clear.
Silly bot, silly bot, silly bot, silly bot.
If you are unable to make this appointment, it is important.
Everything okay now? Everything all right now? Silly boy, that should keep you on the noon to noon schedule. Now you want to eat because it's almost noon. You goose. Okay. Maybe I should just go 12 to 12 no matter what. Yeah, get up at 8 and you don't eat till noon. Then you'll be bugging me. Yeah. Goo. Silly boys. Oh, Trumpy headbutted me going the way away. Where'd you go, Trumper butt? Goofy cat? I'm Munchkin. Munchkin wanted to eat an eating machine, but then he doesn't eat. Goo. Although you ate good earlier. Wonder why you didn't eat much yesterday. You were probably starving. Yeah, a bunch of snacks.
But he ate really good this morning.
I know. He ate some snacks last night, but that was it.
No.
Goofy guy. So look, I put the food on. You're not even eating. You're not getting snacks until snack time, young man. I know you're a spoiled kitty, but you're not getting snacks until snack time, young man. That's not till 4:30. So if you want to eat, you got to eat more of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you want snacks, but no snackies. Not till snack time.
Oh, man, Mom.
I know, I'm a mean mama. And I'm a mean mama from Alabama. Ooh, you know I'm not from Alabama.
Mama.
Yeah. Oh, he says, okay, I want nothing. I'm going out then. Okay, bye-bye. Silly table kitty. Come on, you don't feed me, so I'm just going to lay here and pout. Okay, you do that. Silly boy. Goofy kitty. Today's Munchkin Day. I haven't seen much of Trumpy. Yeah. Except for he met me at this morning. My little Munchkin didn't meet me. He was just ready to eat. Yeah. Yeah, my little boy. Mama love my Munchkin bar. Mama love Munchkin bar. No, you don't, Mom. You won't feed me right now. Oh, I do too. Gooey goo. I got 12 o'clock alarm, Mom. Okay, I'll put you guys on a strict 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock with 4:30 snack. Even if I get up at 8, you gotta wait till 12.
Oh, man, Mom.
Yeah, you guys aren't gonna like that. Meeny, mommy, meeny, bada beanie. That what you want? Munchkin bot? Gooey kitty. Silly boy. Here I be, Trumpy been hiding all day. Did you hear the alarm too? My alarming boys? And the Trumpy bot sitting in Mama's chair. Big boys. Gooey kitty. Tickle that butt. You don't stiletto like Munchkin does. No, you don't. You stiletto, but not as big. Munchkin's just a little kitty. Goofy guys.
Yeah, I know they are, aren't they?
Goofy kitties. Ooh, what you see, Munchkin water?
I know, I keep forgetting to give him fresh water.
I put Munchkin's food up there, and look what he's staring at. He's looking at the snackies. Not snacky time, young man. You want to eat, you got to eat more of your food. Snacky time's at 4:30, young man. Not at noon. Not at noon, young man. Yeah, I know you want snackies all the time. Silly boy. Silly boy. That's probably what Trumpy wanted too. Why, you want some more food, Trump, about? He probably heard snacky. It's not snack time. I should put some beef broth in you guys' food. Oh, Trumpy was begging, you silly boy. You don't have to beg, you big gooey guy. Yeah, Trumpy says, I'll eat some food, I don't care. Trumpy's eating it, Munchkin. No, I'm not Trumpy. I'm Munchkin. I don't want to eat it. Well, you can be one hungry until snack time, young man. Little butt. Little butt. Yeah, you. I know. Give me the stink eye. I know. Don't know what to tell you, young man. Snacky time's at 4:30. Dinner time's at 12 and midnight. So if I fed you guys, oh, look what I found, Munchkin. Oh, no, never mind. It's just a mug on the counter. I thought it was a snacky. I thought it was a snacky. Oh, Trumpy's eating. That's good. Oh, yep, Trumpy's eating. He don't care. Goofy bear. I like that little munchkin bunchkin. I picked it up and I hugged it and squeezed it and loved it and squeezed it and kissed on it. Because it's being a butt. Because it's being a butt. Being a pesky little butt. He wants his food and he wants it now and he don't get it now because it's not dinner time. Good guy. Good guy. Oh, Mom, I just wanted some loving.
I didn't catch her name.
Goofy guy. Goofy guy. Silly boy, love that kitty. Love that kitty. I found the cat toys we bought a couple months ago and we couldn't find. They were in the freezer in the bag of sausages. Get him, Munchkin. By your back leg. Get him, Munchkin. Get him. You're gonna push him on it. Munchkin likes that mousey. Where's yours, Trumpy? You had the fish. There you go. Silly boys. That made him forget about the FOOD. Get it, Munchkin. Get it, Trumpy. Get it, Munchkin. Get that mousey. Yeah, oh. Yeah, just gonna jump on you. Whoa. Silly boy. Now they're both in 7th heaven because they've got catnip in them, Brian. Get him, Munchkin. What? He didn't go back there. He's right there. Silly boy. He's right here. Get him. Get him, Munchkin. Back by your paw. Oh, you gonna go get Trumpies? What? You got yours, Trumpy? Did you eat that fishy? He ate the fish. Oh, no, there it is. It's gonna get your belly. It's gonna get your belly, Trumpy. It's gonna get the belly. on the kitty cat. It's on the kitty. Kitty Toby. You'd probably rather have one than mouse. Let me get you a mousey. Let me get him a mousey. This fish supposed to have a cat in the grandpa. Let's see what he does with this mousey. Because the Munchkin seems to be having more fun with the mouse than that. How about this from me? Kitty. Kitty. What Munchkin do with his? Oh, he put him over there. Somebody's just gonna try to eat him. Silly boy. You're supposed to play with it, not eat it. You can't say play with it, not eat it, big kitty. Munchkin left his over there by the cart. Oh, that Munchkin go. Oh, there's that Munchkin. You done playing already? Yeah, Mom, you want to start taking a OOD. You don't need no OOD right now. No, you don't. Oh. I'll get that mousey. Look at Trumpy's having fun. Oh, Munchkin's got his all slobbery suit up. He got an odd suit up and slobbery. Yeah. Silly boys. Oh, where'd Trumper go? Oh, there he is. Well, they like their mousies. Silly boys. They like their mousies. Yeah, Munchkin's licking his. Who's meowing?
Sounds like Trumpy. Could be wrong,
What?
Munchkin was sleeping on the counter last night.
Yeah, but he probably woke up and nobody was there, so he started meowing. Oh no, who's meowing?
Sounds like
Is that my Trumpy? I see a tail. No, there's a Munchkin. What's you meowing about? Is that you meowing? What's up, big boy? Oh. Huh? What's up? What's up, baby boy? What's up, my baby boy? Did you lose your mouse? Did you hide it under something? Now you can't get it? I see a ball. Silly bot. Meowie bot. Munchkin's being a pistol today. We call him our pistol boy. Oh, I don't see no mousey. Uh-oh. Did you lose your new mousey? Did you lose your new mousey, Munchky Munchky? Ooh, meowie bot. Oh, the meowie bot. Kitty guy. Kitty pie. Ooh, love that kitty cat guy. Today's gonna be Munchky Pie Day because he's being such a pistol. Yeah. Him being a pistol today, aren't ya? My little pistol boy. Meowing at mama. Reaching up, patting at mama. Oh, he found something. Oh, was it a lizard? Must be a lizard as fast as it's going. Uh-oh. I think he lost it. I didn't see it either, so it must have been a lizard. Uh-oh, did it get away, Munchky? It probably went under the thing, not on it. Did you lose him? Oh, poor Munchky. Nice try, big boy. You're a fast kitty, yeah. You're a stout kitty. You almost got him. Those lizards are fast. I had to get one and it was gone before I could even touch it. It moved like lightning. course, you guys don't eat them or nothing. You just pull the tails off, and then I find them dead. Gooey guy. Yeah, he just chased another one, I think. I didn't see it, but he was running real fast, and it went under the shelves. Did you find your mousey? Did you find that mousey? Yeah. Wappy kitty. Wappy kitty, jump up. Well, Mama not gonna feed you nothing yet. And not yet. It's not snack time yet. It's not snack time yet, my big boy. Not snack time yet. Not yet. I can snack on the Munchkins. Should I snack on my Munchkins? Should I snack on my Munchkin butt? Ooh. I did earlier. I picked you up and squeezed you and hugged you and kissed you and loved you. Ooh. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Silly butt, silly butt. Like that butt, like that butt. Gooey guy. Ooh, like that kitty. Silly boy. I'm just gonna go sell a life for a little bit. That birdie teasing my Trumpy. Yeah, he is. He's teasing my Trumpy. Look at that tail. He wants to get that birdie. But that birdie must be on our bush. I can't see him now. Blind Mama don't see him. But that doesn't mean he's not there. Trumpy seen him. And he meowed at him and was wagging his tail at him, huh? Yeah. Oh, is he up there and I don't see him out there?
Yeah. That's what it sounded like he said.
I know. Yeah, you seen that birdie and Mama can't see it. Blind old Mama can't see it.
Oh, where'd that one go? That's weird.
Nope, I don't see him, Trumpy. That don't mean he's not there, though. I don't hear him no more. Did he fly away? Yep, don't see him. Must have flew away. Mama don't see him. Somebody's rubbing on my toes and being a goofball. I wonder who that could be. Headbutt. What big kitty? Hi, big guy. What, did Mama scare you when I was coughing? I didn't mean to, big guy. A big spoiled boy. Headbutt baby. I know it's close to you know what time. SNACK. They could set the clock with these boys' bellies. Ooh, 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 I could. With their belly wellies. Silly butts. Munchkin was eating out of my hand. Now he's so small, when there's only a couple, he wants me to feed him to him. Silly boy. Oh, what happened, Trumpy? I thought you were all done. I gave him the munchkins. Silly boy. Boy, Trumpy. Oh, he's no, thanks a lot, Mom. Well, who mustn't eat him? You're all right, him. You're all right. Really good.
I thought he was going to say someone else at the station. Yeah.
Who was it?
He was talking about Ruth Buzzy.
Oh, our neighbor. Oh. Bruce Busby. Or my neighbor.
88. Guess at Alzheimer's.
Oh man.
No.
That would have to be Mrs. Busby's daughter.
No buzzing.
Oh. What, Munchkin? You getting filled out?
The one that was on laughing.
Oh. I didn't know any of those people were still alive. No way, Monkey? No
Wasn't she
way.
the one that go around giving people the purse?
No, that was Agnes.
Oh.
I think Agnes Moorhead. You want that, Monkey? You ain't done? Come on over to Trumpy. Want Trumpy?
That guy was on Sesame Street because I
Monkey done
I
cheese?
tell you, I don't have no cookies.
Oh, okay. I'll put them away. I guess they're all done for snackies for today. Silly boys. Munchkin said, oh, Mommy put them away. Well, you act like you're all done. You act like you're all done. There we go. Got them all set. Happy. Trumpy disappeared. Happy kitty catties. What's up, Munchkabot? What, baby? What's up, my little on my butt? Meow. What? Well, what? What, my baby boy? What, my little pistol? You've been a pistol all day. Mm-hmm. Silly boy. What? What about my little love? Hmm? What? What? Bye-bye. What do we got? Oh. Silly boy. You silly butt. Good guy. I'm going to reach it far away. Goofy, 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 kitty, 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 kitty. Goofy, 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 kitty, 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 kitty. That's my little musky, 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 musky baby. Uh-oh. He must have seen something or heard something.